Hi everyone! As you can see today, we are in Riva del Garda. On this channel, we explore some of the most beautiful and fascinating places in the world together. If you love traveling and want to discover a new destination every week, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Riva del Garda is a small gem located at the northern tip of Lake Garda, a place that will leave you speechless with its beauty and its unique mix of nature, history, and relaxation. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. This enchanting town is nestled between the crystal-clear waters of Lake Garda and the majestic mountains of Trentino Alto Adige. Here, you'll find an atmosphere that blends Italian elegance with alpine charm, offering a wide variety of activities for everyone. One of the first must-see spots is the Apponale Tower, a symbol of Riva del Garda that overlooks the main square, Piazza 3rd November. Climbing its 165 steps rewards you with a spectacular panoramic view of the town, the lake, and the surrounding mountains. Just steps away from the square, you'll find Palazzo Pretorio, a historic building from the 14th century, and the nearby Palazzo dei Provveditori, which today houses the Alto Garda Museum. If you love history, this museum is a treasure trove of culture, showcasing the region's history, fishing traditions, and lake life. Don't miss the Rocca, a medieval fortress surrounded by a moat, located right by the lake. Today, the Rocca hosts both temporary and permanent exhibitions and is the perfect place to immerse yourself in the local history. Riva del Garda isn't just about history. It's also a paradise for nature lovers and sports enthusiasts. The lakeside promenade is perfect for relaxing walks, while more active visitors can try windsurfing, sailing, or paddleboarding. Thanks to the consistent winds, this part of the lake is a favorite destination for water sports fans. If hiking is more your thing, the Ponale Trail is a must-see, a panoramic path that connects Riva del Garda to the Ledro Valley, offering stunning views of the lake. It's suitable for both hikers and cyclists. For those seeking more adventure, Mount Brione offers a network of trails with extraordinary viewpoints, perfect for photography enthusiasts. After all that activity, it's time to relax and savor the local flavors. In Riva del Garda, you'll find excellent restaurants and trattorias where you can enjoy traditional dishes like bigoli with sardines, lake fish, and of course, extra virgin olive oil, which is famous in the area. Don't forget to try artisanal gelato along the lakeside promenade, an experience you won't forget. Throughout the year, Riva del Garda hosts numerous events, such as the famous Garda Jazz Festival, international sporting events, and Christmas markets that transform the town into a fairy tale village. The atmosphere here is always lively, but never overwhelming, making it an ideal destination for those seeking a mix of relaxation and culture. And that's it for today. I hope this virtual tour of Riva del Garda has inspired you and maybe even sparked some ideas for your next trip. Let me know in the comments if you've been here before, or if you're planning to visit this stunning corner of Italy. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the upcoming adventures. Thanks for traveling with me, and I'll see you in the next video.